Welcome to the Construction Equipment Company's Roadrunner Series Crushing and Screening Sales and Training videos. CEC and its employees are proud to build some of the highest quality portable rock crushing and screening equipment in the industry. The video you will be viewing today will be covering the sales features and benefits of one or more of the following: portable jaw crushers, portable cone crushers, portable horizontal impact crushers, vertical shaft impactors, portable screen-its, 4x10, 5x12, 6x16, portable crush-its, portable wash plants, sand screws, coarse material washers, blade mills, radial stackers and conveyors, and vibrating grizzly feeders. Good day. CEC is proud to present to you their jaw plant product line. CEC has hundreds of these jaw units working all around the world. CEC jaws are respected for their performance and reliability. CEC builds all jaw chassis with I-beam construction, multi-axle spring suspension, drop forged axles, running and oil wheel bearings, Stemco oil seals, air brakes, lights, and mud flaps. All crushers are mounted on cross members that run side to side in the frame, thus lowering the travel height. The I-beam size and the number of axles on the chassis are adjustable to meet your hauling needs. The I-beam size is calculated to meet the crusher weights. CEC jaw plants are complete with a feed hopper, vibrating grizzly feeder, jaw crusher, motor with drives, under crusher rock box, and discharge conveyor. Now let's review these features. The feed hopper is sized to meet the feeder needs. A 40-inch by 14-foot feeder is built with a 16-foot feed hopper. A 46-inch by 16-foot feeder is built with a 20-foot feed hopper. And a 52-inch by 20-foot feeder is built with a 24-foot feed hopper. Hoppers can be ordered with either half-inch, 3/4-inch, or 1-inch plate walls. All CEC feeders are USA built. The units have a dual eccentric shaft, gear-driven shafts, and running and oil bearings. The bearing housings are cast steel, 50,000 psi steel. The bearings load from the outside of the housing and do not require feeder head removal for replacement. Each feeder is equipped with 6 feet of grizzly bars. The feeders also have bolt-in Scandura floor and side liners. The side beams on the feeders have very deep sidewall construction with welded floor cross members on 18-inch centers. Welded top plates cover and bolt-in replaceable Scandura wear liners. The eccentric head bolts on and can be removed for service. The feeders are spring suspended and have electric mechanical vari-drives to control speed. All of the CEC jaw crushers have the same fine features: running and oil bearings, chrome molybdenum shafts, tapered shaft ends with keyways for flywheel mounting, all steel flywheels with tapered shaft bores and threaded locking nuts, heat-treated stress-relieved mainframes, hydraulic adjustment with shim plates, hydraulic unlocking is optional, Pitman protection plate on a plane with the jaw dies, and no beer belly on the eccentric to reduce the product feed size. With the hydraulic unlock and hydraulic adjust, you can be ready to add or remove an adjustment shim in just 30 seconds. CEC feeders also have a grizzly bypass chute to feed undersized material through the grizzly to the undercrusher conveyor. CEC diesel electric jaw plant sizes 24 by 36, 30 by 42, and 32 by 54 use a common engine size. The jaws use the 325 horsepower Detroit Perkins Series 40 4-cycle turbocharged engine. This engine is considered to be the most efficient and modern engine in the world. CEC uses a 3-plate metal disc 14-inch industrial clutch with outboard bearing support. The clutch drives a 3 15/16 reduction shaft that gives the jaw the proper rotation RPM. All drive sheaves are large diameter and allow maximum horsepower to be transmitted to the crusher. This does away with unreliable, troublesome reduction transmission. All reduction shaft bearings are standard off the shelf. Standard electric drives with reduced voltage starters are used in applications not requiring diesel power. The jaw frame is equipped with an undercrusher rock box with replaceable liners and rear access door. The crusher has a takeaway conveyor with rubber lagged head pulley, Dodge gearbox, wing tail pulley, 35-degree troughing rollers, impact idlers under the crusher, and 3-ply USA manufactured belting. The frame is equipped with 6 jacking legs and bolt-on front support legs. An inexpensive option that you might want to consider is our 4 hydraulic jacking legs that allow you to block your plant for operation in a very short amount of time. CEC warrants all of our equipment for 12 months, defective parts and workmanship, to make you even more comfortable with your purchase. When you take CEC's spring suspension, drop forged axles with bearings, running and oil 5th wheel pull, plus all the other standard features, you have a quality jaw plant. Start with CEC and you'll experience higher production rates and modest prices. You're also buying high production equipment with a super resale value. A dust suppression system is also available. The CEC Impactor plant has an optional high-pressure atomized water system for dust control. This system has a high-pressure pump that develops 160 pounds per square inch pressure and feeds water to a distribution manifold and onto atomizing water spray bars. This high-pressure atomized water spray drifts with the dust, weights the particles down, and causes them to fall to the ground or onto the belts. There is a spray bar at each transfer point to assure exceptionally clean operation. This system has met or exceeded the expectations of all purchases to date.